Daily use activities in English.
Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up at 6 a.m. She wakes up early for school. Get up. To rise from bed. He gets up as soon as the alarm rings. They get up late on weekends. Brush teeth. To clean your teeth with a toothbrush. I brush my teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth after meals. Have a shower. To wash your body under running water. He has a shower every morning. She feels refreshed after having a shower. Make the bed. To arrange the bed neatly after sleeping. I make the bed before leaving the house. He always makes the bed in the morning. Get dressed. To put on clothes. She gets dressed for work quickly. He got dressed in a suit for the meeting. Have breakfast. To eat the first meal of the day. They have breakfast together every morning. He never skips breakfast. Go to work. To travel to your place of employment. She goes to work by car. He goes to work at 9 a.m. Go to school. To attend classes at an educational institution. The children go to school on the bus. She walks to school every day. Do homework. To complete school assignments at home. He does his homework after dinner. She helps her brother with his homework. Have lunch. To eat the midday meal. They have lunch at noon. He often has lunch at a cafe. Go shopping. To buy items from stores. She goes shopping for clothes on weekends. He enjoys going shopping for gadgets. Do the laundry. To wash clothes. She does the laundry every Sunday. He has to do the laundry after work. Cook dinner. To prepare the evening meal. He cooks dinner for the family. She loves to cook dinner and try new recipes. Set the table. To arrange dishes and utensils on the table before a meal. I set the table before dinner. She asked the kids to set the table. Have dinner. To eat the evening meal. They have dinner at 7 p.m. He has dinner with his family. Do the dishes. To wash plates, glasses, and utensils after eating. She does the dishes after dinner. He helps his mom do the dishes. Watch TV. To view programs on television. They watch TV after dinner. He watches TV to relax. Read a book. To read written content for pleasure or information. She reads a book before bed. He enjoys reading a book on the weekend. Go for a walk. To take a leisurely stroll. They go for a walk after dinner. She goes for a walk in the park. Exercise. To engage in physical activity to stay fit. He exercises at the gym every morning. She exercises at home with online videos. Meditate. To practice mindfulness or relaxation techniques. She meditates for 10 minutes every day. He finds it relaxing to meditate before bed. Take a nap. To sleep for a short time during the day. He takes a nap in the afternoon. She feels refreshed after taking a nap. Walk the dog. To take the dog for a walk. She walks the dog in the evening. He enjoys walking the dog in the park. Do yoga. To perform a series of physical and mental exercises. She does yoga to stay flexible. He practices yoga every morning. Plan the day. To organize tasks and activities for the day. She plans the day in her journal. He uses a planner to plan his day. Check emails. To read and respond to electronic messages. He checks his emails every morning. She checks emails throughout the day. Make a phone call. To contact someone by telephone. She made a phone call to her friend. He has to make a phone call to the office.